Hey guys, Chris Cards here. Another beautiful day here in the Pack NW. Why do I have a smile on my face? I'll tell you. Rookie Card Explosion Box, Volume 13. Had a couple of dry months in a row. Volume 12 and the Holiday Box were not exactly friendly to Chris Cards. Watch me take this roundabout like a champ, one-handed. And I think Volume 13 is going to be the volume that it's my slump buster, basically. So can't be any worse than last month. So cross your fingers for me. Let's hope good things happen here in the next 10 minutes. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. Volume 13 right here, ready to go. We've got 82 OPG on the top there. We're looking for stars in here. Doesn't really fit with the Rookie Card Explosion Box, but that's fine. You guys are unfamiliar with the Rookie Card Explosion Box. We are looking at 12 packs from various years, from 1982 to 2019. Here are the guys we are chasing. I'll keep this off to the side as usual, and let's just start with the oldest and get to the newest. Let's start with 82 OPG. We're looking for stars in here. So we got Pat Zachary right here on the front. Not a star. There's Gaylord Perry. Guess he would be considered a star. Rick Peters, Brian Kingman, Richie Hebner, better known as a Pirate, there in the Tigers uniform. The Mad Hungarian, Al Habrabaski, Dave Parker, Ken Singleton, and Ernie Witt. Huh. What's this? I don't know what these little posters are, but the gum is stuck to it, so that's not good. All right, there we go, guys. 82 OPG in the book. We've got Derek Jeter, imminent Hall of Famer. Next week probably will be announced. 1993. We are looking for Jeter. 1993 score. Got Yount on the back here. Dennis Rasmussen, who owns a burger joint in the Midwest, for those interested. Milt Thompson. There's an Andy Van Slyke Dream Team card. Troy Neal. Charlie Huff. Wilson Alvarez. Ron Darling. Chris Bosio. Brian McRae. Deion Sanders. Mike Mussina. Robin Yount. A few Hall of Famers. No Derek Jeter. Some TTM material in there, though. Here's Topps Chrome 2010. We are looking for base and refractor versions of Giancarlo Stanton, Steven Strasburg, Josh Donaldson, Carlos Santana. And autos in here as well of those guys. So slightly bowed pack, but cards are in fine condition. Drew Stubbs here on the front. Sergio Santos, Francisco Lariano, and Bobby Abreu. Next pack is going to be 2012 Heritage. We are looking for Mike Trout. Freddie Freeman there on the back. Hey, check it out. Ask and you shall receive. There he is, guys. Mike Trout. Very nice. Not screwing around with him. Nobody protects their cards faster than Chris Cards. Here we go, guys. Mike Trout. Looks good. That's who we were looking for. That's who we got. I'll throw him right there. See who else is in this packet. Carlos Lee. Indians team card. Oh, there's a little mini David Ortiz. There's Freddie Freeman. All right, guys. Not bad, not bad. 2015 Topps Update. Looking for Lindor, Correa, Chris Bryant, Joey Gallo. Thor is in here. Syndergaard. Bunch of guys in here. I got a good feeling we'll get one of these guys. Strope is not one of those guys. There's Jock Peterson. All right. We did get one of those guys. All-Star Game card. Not bad. My first Jock Peterson rookie card, actually. Oh, look at that. 1977 Topps, man. That looks pretty cool. Stamped with the original on there. So as a buyback, I do believe. Joe Smith. Josh Hamilton. Wade Davis. Okay, guys, next we got 2017 Series 1. We're looking for Bregman, Judge, Benintendi, Moncada, maybe Josh Bell. Let's see who we got in here. K-Rod's on the back there. There's Joe Musgrove. Aaron Hicks. There's a Betts. Father's Day Chris Bryant card. Another one of those rediscovered cards. This one from 85 Topps. Nice cards. Nomar Mazara. Mad Bum. There's a Harvey. There's K-Rod. Cody Bellinger is in this set. Chapman, Volt, Judge, Bregman. Let's flip these right way here. Another Ian Happ. Every time I open up a pack of these cards, I get an Ian Happ in it. There's Fernando Rodney. There's Lindor. And there's Stanton on the back. All right, guys, we're about halfway through. A little more than halfway through. 2018 Topps Heritage. High number. You know, Acuna, Soto, Torres, the usual suspects. You guys know who's in here. So Mitch Moreland on the back. Darren O'Day. J.D. Martinez. Freddie Galvis. All right. Big 0 in that pack. 2018 Topps update. Come on, guys. Let's get an Acuna out of here. Acuna, Soto. John Hicks. Liriano. Trevor Bauer. Manny Machado. Brad Hands. Tyler O'Neill. Chesney and Hicks. That was a big 0. 2019 Topps Chrome. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Had one decent pack. Got that Mike Trout. Got that Jock Peterson there in the background, as you see. A couple of Topps buyback cards. Nobody exciting. George Foster. He's kind of exciting. Let's see what we get from here. We got 2019 Topps Chrome, by the way. You guys know who's in 2019. There's Joe Panic. Saw him play for the Kaiser Volcano. There's Joe Panic. I saw him play for the Kaiser Volcanoes when he got drafted from the Giants, or by the Giants. Reese McGuire. All right, nobody too exciting out of there. 2019 Topps Heritage Minor League. All right. Last pack, guys. 2019 Series 2. How about a Pete Alonso? Let's just get a Pete Alonso to finish this rookie explosion box off. Not a bad box this month, guys. I'm not sure what that Trout's worth. I have no idea. I didn't really do much. Haven't really looked it up. Rockies. Jesus. It's the stadium pack. There's a Jeff Samardzija gold card. And it is what it is. Chris Shaw and a get up card. So there you go. There you guys have it. Pretty much the 2 rookies I pulled out of here. Well, this isn't even a rookie card. It's a second-year card, so. Jock Peterson, not the preferred rookie, but rookie nonetheless. A couple of buyback cards. And there you have it, guys. Better than last month. Of course, it would have been really hard to have been worse than last month. So, all right, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.